Hello there, this is Adam from HH Electronics here at the ISE Show 2020. This year at the show we're introducing a host of brand new products, both live sound, installation, but one of the key products that we're really excited about this year is this, which is the brand new Tensor. It's the TRE-1201. It's a 12-inch active loudspeaker box rated at 1400 watts with a max SPL of 130 dBs, 3 carry handles, multiple M8 fly points, dual input channels with both XLR and quarter-inch jack inputs, onboard DSP with 4 audio modes, music, live, monitor and vocal. So simple to use, great for just quickly switching between the applications and setting the box up for requirements. 35mm pole mount, and it also is really lightweight in an ABS enclosure, weighing only 14.4 kilograms. HH, as with all products within the HH lineup, comes with a 5-year warranty. And for more information, check out www.hhelectronics.com.